Good morning all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing great. I am also fine. So kids, what we are going to learn today? So today we are going to learn phonics sound. What we are going to learn today? Phonics sound from A to Z. From A to Z. So here I will display you some flashcards and then I will tell you about its sound. Okay? And you have to repeat it after me. Okay, so let's start. So first is A. 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 Apple. 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 Then B. Bat. Bat. C. Cat. Then D. Dog. Dog. E. Elephant. Elephant. Then F. Fish. Fish. Then G. Gift. H. Hand. Igloo. J. Jam. K. Kite. Then L. Lamb. M. Mango. Gnat. Octopus. Then P. Parrot. Then Q. Quail. Then R. Rose. Then S. Socks. Then T. Then U. U-O. U-O. U-O umbrella. U-O umbrella. And V-O. V-O. V-O vegetables. V-O vegetables. Then W. W-O. W-O. W-O watch. W-O watch. Then X. 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 Xmas tree. X. X. Xmas tree. Then Y. Yo. Y. Yo. Y. Yo. Yo-yo. Y. Yo. Yo-yo. Then Z. Z. Zo. Z. Zo. Z. Zo. Zebra. Z. Zo. Zebra. So here are some. So kids, here are the phonetic sounds from A to Z. So you have to repeat it daily and learn it properly. Okay? Till then, bye. Thank you.